Fortunately, the police and everybody's here because there's a drowning-ish situation going on. Hopefully the person is okay. We gotta wait on the men in blue here to take care of business. So I can see lights out there. Looks like out in the channel somewhere. They're getting the boat out. So hopefully everything goes well here. Divers are getting suited up, and we'll just have to sit tight. The dive team is in the boat. We got a huge Great Lakes tanker. Looks like he's being held up here. So it might be right in the channel where the drowning incident is occurring. Now I got a second boat going in. News chopper. This guy's work here is done. Well, we are on our way down to pick up Billy and Lori as they had problems last night with Hafnutz. They broke a trailer spring, and so they're sitting at a school parking lot. Had to stay overnight. Tow US couldn't tow them because they needed a flatbed and they'd be too tall. So they found some springs at Tractor Supply, and we're going to go down and help them put some leaf springs on this morning, and hopefully be able to get back here to Waukegan and salvage this weekend.
Really filming this.
We have to get the good and the bad.
Well, this is bad.
This is bad. So Hafnutz has been disabled. Are you going to replace the one that broke, or the?
At least replace these two.
Oh, I know.
Okay. Wow, that did just snap right off. Holy Moses! Take a good look at that. The good and the bad. Leaf spring just snapped right in two.
Explain the situation,
They
Scott.
were both turning, so just working off of each other.
Scott, explain what you're doing.
And
So we're changing this leaf spring out because this leaf spring is snapped off. So Billy's taking off the eye bolt.
nothing like doing it with a 10,000 pound boat on it.
Yeah.
Got it right above you. And yeah, nothing
Not
like
the
it.
preferred method.
Not the preferred method.
Well, to add to the misery, the rear shackle bolt, or the rear shackle on the inside, snapped off as well. So now we got to find a place where we can get this welded. So the girls are coming back with the bolts, and we'll get these springs on. We'll get all 4 springs changed, and hopefully be able to get this thing up to the harbor. The perils of boating. Ain't it fun?
As a matter of fact, I'm not having fun.
You could be at work. Or would you
Yeah.
rather be at work?
Well, we made it. We're at Waukegan.
We're back.
We're back. We got Hafnutz.
Oh, look at the spider.
Oh, look at that spider. Ooh, it's a killer.
Would you look at that?
Getting her prepped over in the trailer lot, not at the boat ramp, like you're supposed to do. So we're gonna get back in the water here and have some fun. What do you say, Master William?
Give us some logic.
Give us the skinny.
A little hot out on that blacktop.
The boat trailer
Here, fix him a plate.
is all repaired. All 4 springs done. And now we're gonna eat some breakfast.
Do you want me to use some?
Oh, didn't I bring this? I thought I brought this
Beautiful. Gorgeous Sunday morning. Sun shining. It's very nice outside, and we're getting ready to head down to the Chicago Air and Water Show. Check out another little addition I made for our thing. So when I'm grilling out, got me a little table that just snaps over top of the rear grab handle. So that'll work pretty good when we're grilling. And it's beautiful here in Waukegan. So we'll go down and see the air show. Well, we made it down to Chicago at the Air and Water Show. It's a Sunday show. So right now the paratroopers just came out, so we got down here. I missed most of the show, but we wanted to get down here for the Thunderbirds. Those are our favorites, seeing the big horsepower jets. So as you can see around, as far as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of boats all around us. Lots of people. And of course we got a few idiots with go fast boats that feel like they need to stir it up for everybody and show off. Some of them are respectable and cruising through it idle like this guy's doing. But we just had a couple idiots run through here and stir it all up for everybody. But it's pretty nice. Everybody's kind of giving everybody some space. And we're just waiting on the T-Birds and the jets to come out. Bill and Lori are with us. Howdy-ho! After all our woes with the trailer axle, he's got the trailers all fixed, and we're just enjoying the day. So it's a beautiful day. So when the jets come out, we'll get some more footage. You
look a little wet, dear.
A little moist, a little wet. Billy's a little wet. Every now and then we get a rogue wave. Well, we made it back from the Air and Water Show. It was a great time. We kind of got an abbreviated show. We didn't stay for the whole thing, or we didn't get down there in time for the whole thing. We got down there for the main thing, the T-Birds anyway. That's what we like to see. So it was a great show. The water was pretty choppy, and we had some pretty good waves on the beam on the way back. As you can see by my shirt, I'm a little wet. We didn't put the windshield up, the glass up, so we had some water coming over the bow occasionally, but wasn't bad. Bad boat ride. So Sunday night, a little late here. A lot of crazies over there. Billy walked over to the parking lot, and our boat trailers and trucks look like they're blocked in anyway, so not going anywhere anytime soon. So we're gonna have us some foiled dinners on the grill. Sit here for a little bit. Bill and Lori are gonna go ahead and leave their boat, take the trailer home so I can get the piece that broke off welded back on. So all in all, great weekend, and this will be a short video, but if you like what we're doing, make sure you like and subscribe, and if you got any comments for us or questions, feel free to comment. We love comments, we love questions, and check out some of the other guys that are doing this. We've got some friends over Cruising Rum over in Lake Erie doing some cruising. Check out their channel. We've got on our page, if you look at our channels listings, we got a lot. We subscribe to a lot of the boating channels. There's a few around here. So Sailing Joe and Lynn over in Lake Ontario, another Great Lakes cruiser that does a fine job with videos, and so check out their channel as well. Again, we've got them all on our channel page, so take a look at it. And there's a lot of other ones too, a lot of them that cruise down the Bahamas, and just a lot of fun places. So doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Just click on there and hit the bell notification, and you'll get